What's going on, family? Black Fender checking in inside of the container conversion right now. Dropping off a few materials. Should be coming back in the morning. It's supposed to be a nice warming up day tomorrow, so we're gonna try to knock out a lot of it. I'll say we're about 85% done right now. So we still got a lot of stuff to do, but it's coming on. You know, I just wanted to give y'all some updates. You know, we're getting things lined out in here. It's coming on along. Coming on along. So as you see, we're making it happen. It's coming. You know, doing what we can while we can. You know how that go. So I wanted to give y'all an update because I haven't came through. But the container conversion is on its way. I had a meeting with a gentleman and we talked some numbers and prices on the location. I got the location pretty much sealed. He's excited to actually even have it on his lot. He liked my conversions. He said that he feel like we get a lot of attention from it. He was like, hey man, I like what you're doing. He said, man, you're gonna get real busy once you put this up here. Cause he was like, a lot of people come up here that people judge and think ain't got no money. And they real wealthy with land. He was like, you know, they just like the simple things. And so, you know, me presenting this, it just gives someone the opportunity to actually think outside of the box. And that's what he said. He was like, you creating this is giving the person the opportunity to see what can be done. Because they don't know until they actually put their eyes on it. So that's why I wanted to drop my conversion and let them really see what you can do with a shipping container. So y'all stay in tune with me. Say today I was just dropping off some stuff and been cleaning up around here, getting everything lined out. So we're coming soon. So if you're looking for a shipping container conversion, make sure you hit our website up, www.argonwelding.com. We'll have our container conversion up by the end of the month, the beginning of the year, and it will be off of 23rd Street in OKC and Midwest Boulevard. So come and check us out. Log on.